We may have a fish on. Yes, we do. Good, good, good. Yes, yes. Big fish. Powerful fish, man. And man, the water looks perfect today. This is what I want when I come out to a spot like this. Beautiful, beautiful appearance. I'm rocking a dry bag by Piscifun that they sent me very generously, and we're probably gonna get wet today. It's gonna rain. So let's get some bait in the water, try to catch some fish. That's what's coming our way. Fish on. Okay, first fish of the day, little bass. Ooh, boys, that breeze. Beautiful fish. Let's get him back in the water. That storm is making its way over here with no apologies. I've been grabbed by this random piece of metal. There we go. Look over here, guys. It looks like a school of carp has moved in and they're feeding right over here. So without getting any closer, because it looks like they're setting up shop right in this pocket. Let's put some bread out there. All right, now we're just watching our float. In the meantime, I'm gonna throw out little tiny bits of this bread just to encourage the fish to feed in the area a little bit longer. All right, here we go. Fish on. Oh, good fish too. Gotta keep him. No, 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 no. Ah, he's trying to go around. He's trying to go around the concrete block. I want to keep him in this little pocket over here if I can. Pretty good fish. There we go. Nope, nope. Nope. Come on, don't cut me off. Please, 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 please. There we go. They know what they're doing. They absolutely know what they're doing. Woo, nice. Look at him go. Look at him go. I gotta keep this line tight. We're using barbless hooks, guys. Little, very small barbless hooks. So, light drag. Still not sure what we have here. Haven't been able to really see the fish. But he's decent. All right, let's see if we can get him to surface. Man, he's not giving up. Good fighter, this guy. Oh, it looks like a carp. It looks like a carp. Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. He's starting to concede being in this little zone that I want to land him in. He does not want to give up. Come here, buddy. Oh, almost. Almost. Come here. Come here. Gotcha. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Good fighter. Let's get him up, get him on the mat. Beautiful fish. Absolutely amazing. Common carp. Introduced species, considered invasive at one point, now reconsidered as naturalized, meaning that even though they're introduced, they don't do any damage to their environment. They found a niche that fits the niche already carved out by another species, so they don't harm the ecosystem they live in. So it is perfectly okay to catch and release this gorgeous, gorgeous animal. Hold him right here until he's ready to go. Let the fish decide when it's ready. Gorgeous animal. And he thought about it for a minute. There he goes. Head back upstream. It stopped raining for a moment, so we'll be good. I don't mind getting wet, but it wreaks havoc on the microphone on the camera when it has raindrops hitting the GoPro constantly. So we're just stalking. We're just walking and watching, looking for bubble trails, looking for a tail fin coming up, looking for dust getting kicked up on the bottom. I think I see some fish moving around up there. Fish on. There he goes. Whoa. He's trying to go under that pipe. He's trying to go into that pipe. I don't want to let him. He's going for the rushes. Gotta pull him out of there. Gotta pull him out of there. He's going for the pipe. He's trying to cut us off on the pipe. Oh, and he threw the hook. Smart fish. Smart fish. Okay, we may have a fish on. Yes, we do. Good, good, good. Yes, yes. Big fish. Powerful fish, man. Oh, he was barely moving with that float. Gotta pull him back this way. I don't want him running under that line. All right, tight line, tight line, tight line. Gotta remember, we're using barbless, very small barbless hooks. So ooh, he's a good fish. Any give, and the fish is gone. You know, it's one of those trade-offs for fish care. Ooh, come on, buddy, come on back this way. One of those trade-offs for fish care is fishing barbless. Nope, nope, nope. There we go. You can throw the hook so much easier, but then you know, that's the point. When we're ready to have them free of that hook, it comes out super easy. It doesn't tear any tissue, no extra stress on the fish. So barbless is what we're doing, and right now We have one. We have one on. It's a game of tug of war with everything always potentially about to give, you know? Sometimes you got to give them a line, tire them out. Sometimes you got to stop them from hitting the rushes or the structure. Come on, buddy. No. I want to keep him in the center if I can. This is an 8-foot carp rod from NGT. It's only a 2-pound test curve, so you can see there's a lot of give in the rod. In fact, yeah, 2-pound test curve. It's a very, very soft action rod, which is perfect for carp fishing, especially barbless hooks. You're not gonna pull the hooks, you know? A bit of a drop here. Let's see how close I can get without falling in. Oh, nope. Almost had him. I didn't think he was ready to be netted yet, but you know, sometimes if you just get them moving, you can have them swim right into it, even if they're not exhausted yet. Okay. Just play him out. I'm gonna loose drag. So I'm gonna turn the drag down, and if I need to stop him for any reason, I can just put a finger out on the spool. Just very, very handy way of physically engaging a drag. I don't like doing this with reels that are, you know, bigger and taking on more pressure, because you'll end up bending the whatever that thing is in the middle. Oof. Come here, buddy. Carp in these creeks fight so much harder than carp in like ponds and lakes. They really do. It's true of a lot of fish. I have found, my personal experience, I have found that the fish I catch in moving water are always so much stronger. Come here, all right. Come here, come here, come here. Come on. Can't force him. Can't force him. It's 8-pound line, so it's plenty strong. There he goes. Just get him. Man. He's kind of figured out that we're over here. See if I can get him swimming in a big circle, and then we'll kind of draw him back over. Gotcha. Fish in the net. All right. Hooks out. Just that easy. Just that easy. Beautiful. Look at that. Fern on his eye there. I love carp so much. They're so beautiful. Such incredible fish. You know, there's so many fish that are so ingrained into various cultures around the world based almost entirely on the food aspect, you know, eating them. And then the carp is very much ingrained into the cultures of certain Asian countries. Japan is a great example, as almost its own living piece of art. Carp are appreciated for their beauty in a way that most other fish really will never ever, or at least have never experienced. Carp are absolutely incredible animals. Let's get him back. I love it. Get him in the water. And we're not going to turn him out of the net yet. We're going to give the fish a minute to recuperate, rest. That was a, you know, a decent little fight, so he's probably a little tired. Oh, there he goes. I was going to say, he actually is, the fish is already deciding it's time. Beautiful. Absolutely love carp so much. They are, you know, along with the alligator gar, they're still probably my favorite species of fish, you know, that I've had the, you know, pleasure to actually witness firsthand. And then, you know, there's fish that I like that I've never actually seen outside of an aquarium, like arapaima and stuff like that. But as far as fish that I've actually caught, handled, seen with my own 2 eyes in the wild, Gar and carp, top of the list. And carp, just, they have a special place in my heart. This whole channel is built on carp fishing. It's not something we do quite as much anymore, but it is absolutely what got this channel off the ground. I love carp. All right, well, that's gonna do it for us today, guys. But before you go, real quick, we're doing a giveaway. So Piscifun wants to give one of you guys the Salis X model of reel that you saw me use to catch that big 300-pound alligator gar a few weeks ago. What? The Salis X is an amazing piece of gear. I have several. I want you guys to have one, and Piscifun does too. So here's what you got to do to win, and you can find the link for everything in the description. You got to follow me on YouTube. You can do that right now. Hit follow, and while you're at it, hit the bell. You also got to follow Piscifun on YouTube. They have a YouTube channel. The link to that is in the description. I'll have capital letters giveaway. The link is right there. Follow Piscifun on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram. Follow Piscifun on Instagram. Subscribe here, subscribe there. My Instagram, their Instagram. Piece of cake, takes 1 minute. I'll have all the links in one spot in the description. If you want to win the Salis X, an amazing reel that can catch some amazing fish, go do those things and you're in the running. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see more of. Check out the link to the Patreon page in the description. More is coming, guys. Stay tuned, and until it's here, I will see you guys later.